this video I am going to explain about Laravel installation and some basics. So to install Laravel you must have Composer installed on your system. So go to the command prompt and where you want to keep that project and issue the command composer create project Laravel/Laravel. Here Laravel hyphen demo is the project name, and it will create the Laravel hyphen demo folder, project folder. So here Laravel installation is going on. Yeah, now Laravel installation is over. Now go to the folder, open the project in here. In this case I am opening it from now. Here we see the MVC structure of Laravel. This is controller actually, and all the controllers will go into this folder, and these models, so all the models will go into this folder, and view, so all the views will go into this folder. No, this is the actually root. Root means it HTTP. This is root. So to open the project, now go to the project folder. So in this case I am going to the cd Laravel demo and issue the command php artisan serve. So actually this is the built-in web server for Laravel. So now it is running, web server is running. So just I am copy and pasting the local address and the ports. So you can see here the Laravel home page. So this is welcome. Welcome is the actually here home page. So return view welcome. So welcome is the view name. Not to test that it is calling the view. So just I am returning here return hello. So now we will check that it is now it will not open the view, it will directly return the hello. So as you can see here it is returning hello. So now what I am doing, I am creating one new view file just for the demo. File name is demo.php, and here just I am echoing some message HTML, some welcome message. Now just save it with the name demo.blade.php. so file name will be always blade.php extension. So now open the view.php. Now I want to load that view we have just created. demo.php. So there is also command you can directly load the view. So instead of get, we have put view. So rot colon view. So it will directly open the load the view file. And first part is the URI. So URI will be like localhost /user. So once I open this URI, then it will second part is after comma, second part is the view name. So here after comma, second parameter is the view name. So in this case it is demo. So we don't have to mention blade or some PHP, only the file name without extension. So this command, below command rot view, it will load the view demo view file. So here I am giving the demo hyphen page. So in browser, just give the command localhost. Localhost actually the loopback address. You can use 127.0.0.1, that is loopback address, or you can use localhost. The localhost, then /, then URI which I have defined in the rot. Now you can see the welcome message. So it is loading the demo view which I have created just now.